Now moving to the next question. So second question he is given sin square 2 pi by 3 plus cos square 5 by 5 pi by 6 minus tan square 3 pi by 4. Here solution I will do in the simple way. Sin square 2 pi by 3 plus cos square 5 pi by 6 plus minus tan square 3 pi by 4 is given. So I will do one thing. Sin square 2 pi by 3 I will write it as sin square 3 pi minus 2 pi 1 pi 2 pi, right. I will write it as pi minus pi by 3. Okay, so because sin 180 minus theta is equal to, I will do like that. Here also plus cos square, this I will write 6 1 just 6 means pi minus pi by 6 we can write it as 6 1 just 6 pi minus 5 pi minus tan square of 4 3 4 pi 4 1 4, like I will write it as 4 1 ja 4 4 minus 1 3 pi means we can write it as pi minus pi by 4. So these are the we can transform like this. And now here sin 180 minus theta sin theta, sin pi by 3 is equal to 60, sin 60 is equal to how much will come answer? Root 3 by 2. So sin root 3 by 2 whole square will come here plus, so cos 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. It will become here minus cos theta value is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 is equal to how much? 180 na? 6 3 is 30. Cos 30 value is equal to how much here? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Here minus only there, so minus also will become plus, and minus tan square pi by same, this value will come as tan pi by 4 means 45. Pi by 4 is 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square will come here. So we will do one thing, sin 180 minus theta divided by cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta will come. Okay, minus tan theta, remember this tan theta I am saying here, 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta will come. Here this will come cos theta minus cos theta, so minus tan theta will come. So that's I did here. So don't panic and don't, please watch constantly and go through the formulas first. Here 3 by 4 will come plus this is also 3 by 4 will come minus 1 will come here. So LCM is minus 1 here 4 LCM, this will become 3 plus 3 minus this is 4 1 ja 4, 6 minus 4 divided by 4 will come is equal to 2 by 4 1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer here. Here third question is given that cos solution here, cos 225 is given. I will write it as cos of 180 plus 45 I will write. Okay, here minus sin of, I will write it as sin 225 I will write it as 180 plus 45. Here plus tan of 145 495 is given, sorry I will write it wrong, 495 is given here. 495 I will write it as tan of but we can write it as 360 plus 135, right, it will come only now. Alright, and minus cot of 360 plus 135. Okay, so this will come here. Now solution, cos 180 plus 45, what I told you, minus cos 45 will come, I told you already na. Cos of 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta will come, I told you already. So this will come here, cos of 45 value, sin of 180 plus 45 is equal to minus sin 45 only will come here, and tan 360 plus 135 it will become minus tan 135 minus tan 135 will come here. Already I told you that one. This one also here, and cot of minus cot of 360 plus theta, like it will become minus cot theta will come minus minus plus, it will become plus, and will become cot 135. So here we, after doing this, cot 360 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta will come here. Okay, Sorry, here I told you tan 360 will here plus only will come, here minus only will come, and it will become 135. Here the cos 45 value we can write it as a minus 1 by root 2, and sin 45 value as a 1 by root 2 only. I am writing sin 45 sin 45 here 1 by 2 root only, plus tan 135 is equal to tan of 90 plus tan 90 plus we can write it as cot 90 plus theta is equal to cot 45 minus cot 45. Here tan 135 plus tan of 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay, this formula you remind here, and cot of 90 plus theta cot of 90 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. You remind this one, these two formulas very important, and here plus tan 45 will come. So it will become the answers here will come sin 45 sin 180 plus sin 180 plus theta is equal to how much? Minus sin theta. I am sorry for this also. Sin 180, this formula is sin 180 plus theta is equal to sin 180 plus theta is equal to wait sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this will also become plus, this will become minus, will become on this side. Sin minus 45 will become plus here. Minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 cot 45 1 minus 1 tan 45 plus 1. So answer will become all will get cancelled here. This one and this one, this one and this one, it will become 0 here. The answer will become 0. Now moving to the fourth one. Here fourth question is given that like cos theta minus sin theta if a is equal to, first question is given a as a theta is equal to 7 pi by 4 and b is equal to given 11 pi by 4. So I will take a 11 by 7 by 4 first in this one. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos of 7 pi by 4 minus sin 7 pi by 4. So it will become 7 pi by 4 means 7 into pi. Pi means pi by 4 means how much will come? 45. 745 is like 45 into 7, we can say that 45 into 7 90 93 270 plus 270 plus 315 will come 315. So cos of 315 minus sin of 315. So this one it will become, we can write it as cos of 270 plus 45 here. This is minus sin of 270 plus 45. So it will become cos of 270 plus 45. We can write it as formulas. What is the formula there? Cos of 270 plus theta sin theta means sin 45, and it will become minus sin of 270 plus theta sin of 270 plus theta minus cos theta minus cos 45. So minus cos 45. So what will the values here? Sin 45 is equal to 1 by what 1 by root 2 minus it minus plus cos 45 1 by root 2. So it will become, so what is the answer here? Here this one. So if we multiply 2 root 2 divided by 2 will come, 2 1 will cancel, root 2 is the answer here. Okay, now moving to the next one. This one b value here we do here only. So cos 11 pi by 3 means 11 pi by 3. It will become, I will do here 11 into 180 divided by 3. 3 1 3 6 66 660. Cos of 660 minus sin of 660. We have to find this answer. Cos of 660 is equal to how much? We can write it as cos of 2 into 360 minus 60 we can write it as here, and also minus sin of 2 into 360 minus 60 we can write it as, it will become cos this one cos of 2 into what is the formula? Cos of n into like cos n into cos of n into 360 a minus theta will become cos theta. So like cos 60 we can write here minus sin of n into 360 minus 60, cos of n into 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin 60 minus sin 60. It will become cos 60 plus sin 60. Cos 60 is equal to how much here? Cos 60 1 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2. So it will become also root 3 by LCM is 2, 1 plus root 3 by 2. This is the answer here. So please practice here, then only you will get the answer solutions. Now moving to the next question. Here fourth question, first one, if sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 3 and theta does not, he is saying that theta does not lies in the third quadrant. He only saying find the value of A cos theta and B cot theta. Here does not lie in third quadrant means it will become in the fourth quadrant, we can say. Fourth quadrant this theta will lies. The answer will become first one solution here. Cos theta is equal to, we can write it as under root of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write it as. Okay. Sin theta is equal to how much is given? Under root of 1 by sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3, 1 by 3 is given whole square. It will become under root of minus 1 plus 1 become 3 3 and 9. 9 ante means 1 minus 1 by 9. It will become 9 1 9, 8 by under root of 8 by 9. 1 by 3 will come outside and it will become 4. 2 also will come. 2 root 2 divided by 3 will come. So this is answer here where cos theta value. Now B is equal to cot theta we have to find here. Solution here will do cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta we can write. Cos theta is equal to how much we got here? 2 root 2 divided by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. So this 3 will get cancelled here, minus 2 root 2 will get the answer here. So this is the end of this fourth one, first question. Now moving to the second question here. In the fourth bit there is another question, second one we are going to find solution. So here second question, if cos theta is equal to t, cos theta is equal to t he is saying, and t value will be between the 0 to 1, 0 to 1 only, and theta does not lie in the first quadrant he is saying, and find the values of this first is sin theta and second one tan theta. So here he is saying that theta is positive, and he is saying also theta is does not lie in the first. Okay, here we take theta is a positive and does not lie in the first quadrant, then theta is in the fourth quadrant, we think. Okay, now first one solution here, first one sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, we can write it as under root of 1 minus cos theta is equal to t, and we can write it as t square. Okay, we can write it as t square. The sin theta will become in the fourth quadrant na? So the value of this one is minus, here minus values will come. Okay, minus under root of 1 minus t square will come here. Now second one we have to find here tan theta. Solution here, tan theta is equal to, we can write it as sin theta by cos theta. What we have got sin theta value? Minus under root of 1 minus t square divided by cos theta. What is the cos theta value here? T. So this is the answer here, minus under root of 1 minus t square divided by t. Now third question is given that find the value of sin, big question is given here, sin 330 into cos 120 plus cos here what given 210 into sin 300. This is a big question is given here. Solution, sin 330 we can write it as sin 360 minus 30 we can write it na. Okay, right. In cos of 120 I will write it as 180 minus 60. Cos of 180 minus 60 I will write this one. Okay, and next this one cos 220 I will write it as cos of 180 plus 30 I will write it as cos of 180 plus 30, and again this one I will write it as into sin of, I will write it as 360 minus 60 I will write it as. Okay, now sin 360 minus 30 is equal to, we can write as minus 30 minus sin 30 into cos 180 minus 60 is equal to cos 180 minus 60 is equal to minus cos theta, like minus cos 60 we can write it as, plus cos 180 plus 30 is equal to cos 180 plus 30 is equal to, we can write it as minus cos 30. So here sin 360 minus sin a 360 minus is equal to minus sin 60, we can write it as. All are 30 and 60s will came here. Now we can say that all minus I will cancel from these sides. It will become sin 30 and cos 60, or else it will become minus and minus plus, and it will become minus and minus plus cos 30 into sin 60. So this is the answer of like what you can say, sin of 30 plus 60. Sin 30 plus is sin 90 is equal to, sin 90 is equal to how much? 1. Sin of a plus b formula, this one, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This formula you wrote it down here, please, very important this formula. Now moving to the next question, fourth one. Here fourth question is if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3, find the cos theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Here solution is given. So I will take, given question is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3, and cosecant theta, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. No, this we will know. So here we will write it as, this is a square minus b square. I think that cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta plus minus cot theta is equal to 1 here. So it will become like cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Na? So in this, the value of this will I submit now, it will become, he come here, it will become 1 by 3. So it will become 3. So cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to, we'll get as 3. So cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 3 we'll get here. So if we cancel this though, na? If we cancel this then it will become minus, it will become plus. This will get cancelled here. 2 cot theta is equal to 1 plus, so no, 3 plus 1 by 3 will come here. So sorry, here this is also minus will come, na? So 1 by 3 minus 3 will come here. So 2 cot theta is equal to 3 3 ja 9, 9 minus 1 minus 8 by 3, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja will come. Cot theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 will come. We can write it as tan theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 I can write also. Okay na? So now tan theta we got here. Cot theta value I will submit in this one. It will become cosecant theta is equal to minus plus I will become right, okay, plus minus 3 minus 4 by 3. 3 minus 4 by 3 will come. So 3 3 9, cosecant theta is equal to 3 9, 5 by 3 will come, and it will become sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 will come here. Now what he asking us to find here, which quadrant it lies na? So here which quadrant, and he asking us to find the cos theta also, no? So cos theta is equal to, what we can write it as, tan theta is there, tan theta and sin theta. Okay, here we got cot theta value and sin theta value. So we'll see here cot theta is equal to how much, minus 4 by 3 na, and sin theta value also we got here 3 by 5. So I will multiply these two values, cot theta into sin theta is equal to, we will get as cos theta is equal to, we can write it as cos theta divided by sin theta into sin theta. So sin theta value is how much we got, 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 3. So sin theta will get cancelled here, 3 1 ja will get cancelled here, minus 4 by 5 will come here. What is the cos value here? Cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. So this is the answer here. And moving to the next question. So this theta value lies in the lies on second quadrant. So I will explain also these quadrants whenever I am doing formulas videos. There is formulas are very important. Those videos formulas I will make the video of formulas also. So that time I will explain this quadrant values and everything. So now moving to the next question here. This is all for today, students. Now in next video we'll go for the fifth bit and first section fifth bit, and second section also we'll do. Now end of this video, please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.